Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is fractview, a application for Android. It might be on Mac or iPhone, I don't know. It allows you to zoom and reset your fractals. And immediately when I saw some of these, I was thinking how cool it will be when VR and AR, virtual reality and augmented reality, can use 3D fractals, because some of the images and objects that you can create with just a little bit of code are pretty spectacular. This one I've been really enjoying. And when I say you can create them, I mean that, because this is just math. And the math you can modify. So you can modify your palette, modify the light layers, the light intensity. So if you want to reduce the light intensity, just modify it. Of course, there is some serious heavy lifting behind this. Square root of a tangent log. Not very easy to edit the equations here, but they're certainly there for your fiddling if you want. You can see the lie string. I'd have to go to Wikipedia and figure out what, in fact, all of that means. 1 to the 9th power, or rather 1 with 9 zeros after it. Anyway, let's take a look at what that does. This is Galaxy Note 3, and you can see that this particular equation is very CPU intensive. It takes quite a long time to render. But there's some others that are not nearly as intensive in terms of CPU, but certainly visually engaging. Let's see if we can zoom in here a little bit. Since these are fractals, they will just continue to amaze the eye. Now when it finishes rendering, or before it finishes rendering, what you can also do, shouldn't have moved it. Anyway, you can save it. You can save and share the image, set it as a wallpaper, and when it's finished rendering, like now, took 14 seconds to render it. Click OK. File already exists, so I need to rename it. Close. Give it a new name. That's probably the only thing that's not good about this application. It doesn't remember the name of the fractal that you used or the parameters that were used. That would be handy for the next generation of this application, if the developer makes another version. We'll go ahead and run this through Prisma just for giggles, although it is already visually quite compelling. But now we have other filters you can throw on top of it as well if you want to continue to play. All right, there it is. So this is fractview, and you can see that it is now my, as I had said before, this is my new wallpaper. Okay, thanks for watching. And again, the application is fractview. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.